Hey guys, welcome to the conversation you should have had about 1,000,000 times before today. Eating intentionally. It's also looking at real information and being able to make your own decisions on your health life. Every decision that we make today is going to affect our health tomorrow. 3 million cells get replaced every day. What we eat today is what we become tomorrow. So, when we think about a snack, should we think about a deep fried snack? No. Not if we're thinking about it health-wise. And, some things that we decide to eat are going to be for specific reasons. It could be long-term bone health. It could be because we like the taste of it. It could be because of saturated fats get rid of good fats get rid of bad fats. Saturated fats, like this almond here, absolutely, I love them. Really good for you. Yes, I just ate it. Is this a mukbang now? Maybe. I don't know. Anyway, let's take a look. We're going to go to a source that you actually believe. I could say I'm Dr. Matthew. Would that mean anything to you? I hope not. The reason why I say that is because if I use the word doctor, your mind goes into a state of not thinking. Your mind goes into a place of bliss where you're just supposed to believe whoever is wearing the white coat. I've got one, I can go get one. But I'm not going to, not right now at least. The reason why I say that is because we need to become a society that starts, and you need to become a person that starts thinking for themselves. I'm not saying you don't think for yourself. What I am saying is that we put blind faith into people that wear a white coat. And it's a sickness, it's an illness, it's a brainwashing. It is where we look at things on TV and we believe them because they're on TV. We go into a doctor's office, we think, yeah, we might get lucky and get a good doctor. We're not going to. That's the fact. I do say that your best bet's going to be with a plant-based doctor. A plant-based doctor is at least going to try to help you heal yourself through foods. And there are other things, but yeah, mainly through the food you eat. So let's take a look. Eating intentionally means what? Eating real food. Now, bananas come from, if you're not familiar, bananas come from a banana tree. Okay? And almonds come from a almond bush? No. They come from an almond tree, okay? Then raisins are grapes, dried out. That's right, great. And that's where you have our raisins. These raisins are absolutely delicious. Oh my gosh, I have like so many big bags of them. Anyway, why are we eating these things? Really the question becomes not, do I want to eat healthy or unhealthy? The question becomes, if I eat healthy things, what do they do for me? How do I benefit? And do they taste good to me? Also, organic honey, also referred to golden medicine. And there's no way you know how golden that medicine is. If it actually came out on how healthy golden medicine is, put a few doctors out of business, and I am not kidding. No. So you need to find these things out. Sometimes pills that we take are not going to take the place of what real food can do. Just will not do it. But you're going to have to put some time in to discovering these things. Also, check out some of my previous videos. If you're thinking about going plant-based, please like the video. If you'd like, please subscribe to the channel. Love to have you as part of our group. So, let's go to a source that our society has become, for some reason they think they can trust it, and you can for a lot of things. So we're going to go to Google. Hey Google, what is healthy about an almond?
On the website webmd.com, they say, almonds are rich in valuable nutrients for your body, like magnesium, vitamin E, and dietary fiber. A single serving of almonds makes for a nutritious and filling snack.
Hey Google, are almonds good for bones?
On the website centerforfamilymedicine.com, they say, for example, almonds are filled with calcium, magnesium, and protein. These are all vital nutrients for bone health. Experts recommend eating 1 handful of raw almonds daily. I also found an answer to this question. Which nuts are good for your bones? Do you want to hear it?
Yes.
On the website valeriusmedical.com, they say, nuts and seeds. Most nuts and seeds boast an impressive nutrient profile, but a select few are especially good for combating bone degeneration. Macadamia nuts, walnuts, hazelnuts, almonds, sesame seeds, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds contain calcium, magnesium, zinc, and other essential nutrients.
Sesame seeds are the bomb. Definitely try those. I put those on so many things. When growing up, you probably only thought of sesame seeds as like sesame seed buns. No. Mm-mm. No, you can put those on everything. Nutty flavor, rich, really good saturated fats. Definitely check them out. Hey Google, how are raisins healthy?
According to Wikipedia, a raisin is a dried grape. Raisins are produced in many regions of the world and may be eaten raw or used in cooking, baking, and brewing.
Hey Google, are raisins good for your bones?
On the website healthline.com, they say, raisins are naturally sweet and high in sugar and calories, but they're beneficial to our health when eaten in moderation. In fact, raisins can aid digestion, boost iron levels, and keep your bones strong. I also found an answer to this question. What happens if you eat raisins every day? Do you want to hear it?
Yes, we do.
Oh, okay.
Sarcasm by Google. Okay. So yeah, raisins are absolutely delicious. They're not something that you should just eat every once in a while. Let's go ahead and ask her. Hey Google, how are raisins healthy for you to eat every day?
On the website webmd.com, they say, research shows that raisins can lower your risk of heart disease by reducing blood pressure and blood sugar. The fiber in raisins works to lower your LDL cholesterol, which reduces strain on your heart.
Simple knowledge, guys. But we're not asking the questions. We don't ask the questions, we don't know the answers. Real food, real health, rebuilding the body, 3 million cells a day. And I like to think of that as at a time. Hey Google, how are bananas healthy?
According to Wikipedia, a banana is an elongated edible fruit, botanically a berry, produced by several kinds of large herbaceous flowering plants in the genus Musa. In some countries, bananas used for cooking may be called plantains, distinguishing them from dessert bananas.
Hey Google, are bananas good for your blood pressure?
The website BethelMedicalAssociates.com, they say, you've heard that an apple a day keeps the doctor away, but you might not know that a banana a day keeps high blood pressure at bay. This fruit is packed full of potassium, an important blood pressure lowering mineral. Potassium helps balance sodium in the body.
Hey Google, what country are bananas from?
On the website bow.org,
No. Hey Google, what country are bananas from? Grown. Hey Google, answer with kitchen display.
Sorry, I can't send messages yet. Something went wrong. Try again in a few seconds.
So it doesn't help when you have a Google Hub in every one of your rooms. Keep a note of that. Bananas. Let's ask about organic honey. Bananas, how healthy is organic honey? Hey Google, how healthy is organic honey?
On the website mikeandnickishoney.com, they say, raw organic honey contains many antioxidants, including vitamin A, C, E, and gamma-linolenic acid. The vitamins and other nutrients in honey help to maintain good health and prevent illness.
Hey Google, is organic honey good for your skin?
On the website healthline.com, they say, raw honey is packed with components beneficial for your skin, especially if you have acne or autoimmune skin conditions such as eczema or psoriasis.
Hey Google, is honey a perfect food?
On the website washingtonpost.com, they say, the not-so-sweet answer, not really, when it's used as a food. Honey does supply some nutrients, such as iron and vitamin C, but the amounts are so small, less than 1% of what you need in a day, that it's basically meaningless, says Amy Keating, a Consumer Reports nutritionist. I also found an answer to this question. Is honey considered a perfect food? Do you want to hear it?
Yes.
On the website nih.gov, they say, in fact, honey is a complete meal, as shown in tables 1 to 3. It contains major components of a meal and micronutrients that will enhance the digestion and absorption of these major dietary components, as well as those required for metabolism and body functions.
Have a healthy day. Eat intentionally. We love you. If you like plant-based, please like the video. Subscribe. Become one of our patrons and one of our members.